Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video with the C63 AMG. Today we are going to replace the coolant reservoir because obviously it is cracked right over there. That one. So we're going to replace this, we've got some coolant, and we're going to replace this control arm with this ball joint because the front left of the car literally is ready to, like, the wheel is ready to fall off. When I'm driving, the steering wheel literally shakes like this. Like, it is bad. It is very bad. So we got to get that done. And then we're also going to change the tire in the back because that one is also finished. So yeah, as you guys can see, we're literally driving on cord. So we're going to replace that tire. It is completely finished. But this one is actually still kind of okay. We're pretty much down to almost zero, but at least it's not showing cords. Well, the C63 AMG does eat tires like crazy, so there's honestly no point to buy Michelin Pilot Sport 4S anymore, even though literally with this the car is still running absolutely amazing. That is how much trust we put into Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. I don't know if I'm going to use Pilot Sport 4S in the future, even though it's such a great performing tire. The problem is this car just eats tires like there's no tomorrow. It does not matter what tire you put, it will freaking eat your tires. It doesn't matter. So we might just go back to Kinforest, but I don't know yet. We'll see. Anyways, we're gonna get that all replaced, and then that tire will be good until pretty much the winter, because it is 21 degrees outside. We are at Viva Auto again, our good friends. And we're gonna get the tire replaced because honestly, it's gonna last until the end of the summer. Pretty much summer is almost, well, not almost over, but like, you know, we're getting into the end of August, then we might have a little bit in September. And then pretty much we're gonna get ready for winter. We're gonna do a nice winter setup with the other aftermarket 507 edition wheels that we have. So we'll get some nice winter tires, and then we will enjoy this car in the winter time. All right, let's get on to this repair. Okay, we got the C63 AMG on the hoist. It is pouring rain outside, but that is fine. So we're gonna take out these 8mm bolts, well, little screws, get access to the control arm, which is right over here. Got a couple of tools that we need. Gotta grab that nut right there. Then there's one there and one on the other side. So let's get this control arm off and this one in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got the nuts off. So the ones on the front, they are 21 mil, as you guys can see. And the one on the back that goes to the actual bolt itself, which is right back there, that one is a E20, just in case anybody wants to know. Control arm bolts, E20, and then this one and this one, which we also took out, are 21 mil. So now we can finally get this control arm out, and we're going to use this handy dandy tool right here. Let's get that off. Okay guys, with a little bit of hammers and leverage, let's just say, with this tool and this tool, we managed to get the old control arm off. So here is the old one, here is our new one. They're obviously the same. So look at how bad this ball joint was. Look at this. If I take this one and I, like, look at that, it literally moves around so badly. It is freaking done. Like, if I take this thing, like, I can pop it in and out. Look at that. That is bad. It should not be able to do that. That thing should not move at all. It should be like this. Like, this one does not move at all. Zero movement. Like, you cannot press it forward or backward, like nothing. So let's get this new control arm into there. Okay, and just like that, our control arm is replaced. Now we're gonna move on to the coolant reservoir. That should be pretty easy. We're gonna get this thing replaced because obviously it has a little tiny hole over there, but we covered it in duct tape. Let's go see the old control arm. And this poor bastard is going right to the scrapyard. That was very dangerous, but now we're good. And the C63 no longer has an expansion tank because this is the old one. And unfortunately, right somewhere over there, it had a little crack, and it was basically, oh, I think it's right there, yeah. And it was leaking. So now we got our brand new one. This one is gonna be gone. So now we gotta clean up this little connector right here. Gonna connect that, put that into there. This thing connects into here, and then that sits there. And then we gotta fill it with coolant, bleed it, and it'll be good to go. So let's install that one now. Okay guys, it's pretty straightforward. A couple clips over there, this piece, this connector, this thing right here, the hose underneath right there, and that connector right there. Filled it up with coolant. Let's start the car, make sure everything is good, and tighten it up and get going. Okay, you guys, and just like that, looks like the C63 is done for now. We have replaced the control arm and the expansion tank. Thank you to Viva Auto once again, as always, our good friends. So let's go for a nice little drive and make sure that the steering wheel is not vibrating, and let's make sure that our coolant, well, is not necessarily leaking, but not give against any problems. The tire situation we'll address a little bit later, because that is a very interesting situation. Let's jump on the highway. Okay, so we made it back home, and guys, here is the tire situation. So we are not going to be putting on the rear left tire because there's honestly no point. We need 4 new tires because, well, this is our spare one, the aftermarket 507 edition wheels. Obviously they don't have the AMG logo anywhere on them, and yeah, the tread is pretty much finished. However, these are not as bad as, well, the backs. The backs are absolutely horrible. Look at that cord, man. Like, that is really bad. We need 1 rear left tire. We most likely need 1 rear right tire. Well, not really. This one's still kind of alive. But guys, I want to come show you the front tires. They are extremely bad. How did this happen? Look at this cords, man. Look at how bad that is. This is insane. Like, look at this. Like, pretty much, like, not brand new, but like 50% tread over here, not even anywhere close to the bar, and boom, the inside is just chewed up. Unbelievable. We got our brand new control arm over there. Everything looks good. Yep. All looks good. But this tire, man, this is absolutely horrible. Like, look at this side too. This side is pretty bad too. Like, I can move the car a little bit forward so you guys can see the inside. Oh my god. Yeah, there you go. Like, look at how bad that is. I don't understand this. Like, look, I need an alignment. This is insane. Like, look at that. That's so bad. And here I move this tire a little bit more. Look at how bad that is. That is literally ready to explode. Unbelievable. I don't know. So we need not 2 tires, we need 4 tires. So let's get in the car and discuss. So yeah, you guys, we need 4 new tires. This is now gonna be the next part of the C63 rebuild in the next video, and that is gonna be 4 new winter tires, well, and plus 2 repaired rims, and 4 new summer tires. Like, that is crazy. This car literally just eats tires, and there is nothing you can do about it. Like, that is with alignment. Like, I did alignment like a year and a half ago or whatever. Like, I don't know if that's too long. Like I don't know if that's too long ago or not long enough. Like, what is going on? Like, this is crazy. Oh, it's been a long day. I'm absolutely speechless. Like, I am shocked. Like that alignment wear is horrible. Either the place that did the alignment previously didn't do a good enough job. Like, again, they printed out like the before and the after, and they're like, hey, everything is good. You're good to go. We did an alignment, and now it's, 0-0. Well, not 0-0. It was like 0.5, because there's a maximum amount that you can apparently adjust the camber on this car, because that's how it's coming from the factory. I don't know. But yeah, 4 winters, 4 summers, and an alignment properly done, like visually, not just like, oh yeah, here's the car, go ahead and do it. Like, no, I'm gonna make sure that it's actually done properly, because that is insane. Like, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, that is an expensive tire. We got it for a good price, but still, it's like, they're like $400 per tire, and they're done, they're dead. Like, those tires are finished, which is crazy. So, like, if an alignment can't fix this, camber wear problem, then honestly, there's no point to even get Michelins. I might as well just get, like, Imperial EcoSport 2 or whatever. The best, Chinese summer tire and the best Chinese winter tire and just drive the car and enjoy it. Like, that's just how it is. The C63 eats gas, eats tires, and eats your soul. I don't know. Okay, guys. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next C63 rebuild video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate you all. I am just completely done. It's been a long day. Peace.